Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustubh here back with another video. And guys, in this video we will be taking our first look and I will be telling you my first impression of the brand new POCO X3. So this is the POCO X3 right in my hand. And guys, as per the drill, make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button down below and also turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming content of the POCO X3. With that being said, let's roll the intro and get the video started. First thing that I immediately noticed after unboxing the phone is the weight and the thickness of the POCO X3, guys. You can see it is really thick, and the weight, you guys have to believe me, like it is heavy. And if you see the spec sheet, then it is mentioned 215 grams is what the weight is of the POCO X3, and you can compare this weight with your current smartphone on which you are watching my YouTube video. So yeah, it is absolutely heavy. Like at 215 grams, it's crazy heavy, and that's because mainly of the monstrous 6000 mAh battery that the POCO X3 comes with. So POCO has taken it seriously about the battery issue on the POCO X2, and now the POCO X3 has this monstrous 6000 mAh battery. And I'm pretty excited to test the battery because I am hoping some crazy battery stats from this POCO X3. Next is the build quality. So guys, if you take a look here, then I have the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant, and it comes in this beautiful cobalt blue color. Design wise, it is decent enough, not the best out there, and the quad camera module on the back looks a bit out of shape is what I think. Also guys, following the new trend of plastic bag, the POCO X3 also has a plastic back panel. But guys, there is always a but. This back panel used on the POCO X3 is really cheap quality. Like if you apply some pressure onto the back panel, then this plastic panel has some flex to it, like you can see in the video right now. Also, if you knock on the back panel, then you can clearly hear some noise, and that is mainly coming from the hollow void space that is left in between the panel and the battery, due to which it flexes. But anyways, this is not a major issue because most of us will be anyways using a case on the POCO X3. So yeah, that's a one quality control issue that I found, but I hope POCO India fixes it in the next generation. Coming to the front, we have a 120Hz IPS LCD panel, guys, and this panel has been coupled with 240Hz touch sampling, that is touch response. So this is gonna be appealing to a lot of mobile gamers out there, and this combo of 120Hz refresh rate with 240Hz touch response is just unheard of in this below 20,000 rupees price segment. So POCO India has done really a great job with the aggressive pricing. But only one thing that I'm missing is the AMOLED display. Like if it had been an AMOLED display, then it would be great, but still it is HDR10 certified, so it is a great overall display. Lastly, coming to the processor, guys, then here we get a Snapdragon 732G processor, which is sort of an overclocked version of the old 730G processor. But anyways, this is a new chipset, so we will see how it performs in the long run in a full review. And coming on the software front, we get MIUI 12 running on Android 10. So it runs really smooth, coupled with the 6GB RAM. It is really good in day-to-day use. And next thing is with the camera, guys. Then initially I had clicked some pictures with the camera, and what I've noticed is that in daylighting condition, if you provide the camera sensor with sufficient light, then it clicks some really good pictures. But when the light falls in night conditions, then the photos are not that good. But anyways, I will be doing a dedicated camera review of the POCO X3, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss it. That's about it from my side, guys, and this were my initial impressions and thoughts of the newly launched POCO X3. And if you have liked what you saw, then please do drop a like down below, and also do get subscribed to my channel for the upcoming POCO X3 content. And that's been my time, guys. This is your boy Kaustubh here from Tech2Explore signing off. You guys have a great day and keep exploring.